You're tempted to tip the other side because, yeah, you feel like I need a bit of drama here, drama there. But it is good to trade in a balanced way now with moderation. And I think last year or so, there were some content moderators who were suing one of these platforms that they were not being paid, and yet they were given a job to weed through content that has pornography and all that, and some of these things actually were impacting on their own health. So whereas you're going about doing your job, informing, the ripple effect of bad negative content impacts other people who do certain jobs on a daily, like content moderation. It may attract bad adverts onto your websites, which adverts like, because, and speaking of the issue of content farming, that what I talked about earlier, people who just want to attract through their business model large volumes of low quality, quickly generated content, yeah? So that traffic can come, so that you get adverts. You pull all that in, but I'm sure many of us get tired. Maybe you're listening to a song, then there's an advert, then you have to click skip, then you're clicking all here and there. But there are some adverts that come where then someone it's a scam, they're asking you for money, you click, you lose your money, yeah? But where did it come from? From an online platform that is not mindful of the kind of content and quality that generates. So let's not act like a fast food kind of industry where you know, on microwave content where you just want something very fast. Let's really aim to have quality and balanced information. Of course, we have all heard the word misinformation, and there's a campaign, I think by now, NBS, dismiss fake news. Actually, dismiss misinformation. So dismiss it, I guess, or dismiss misinformation. So I just wanted, maybe, this is on Wikipedia, by the way, it's not here, so, or in Google somewhere, you can use these tools, but the misinformation is incorrect or misleading.
System developers that in Rwanda, they contact the system developer, more or less the same issue. Even after when you have a complaint, we look at the content, the website, where the information was shared. Most times, like I said, legitimate website, they'll put a contact us here. We write our letters to that contact. Now, some of you, because you set up your website with mischievous intentions, you don't even put who to contact. So when somebody is looking for you, they don't know who to speak to. How do we know the developer? How do we know the host when that information is not here? I want someone to sympathize with us when in our offices. You don't have all that information that this website was developed by so and so. You have a complaint that you must deal with at that time. Put enough information, but also when we write to you, telling that there's a complaint, do not get annoyed with us. For us, these complaints just find us in offices. Like today we are here, by the time we go back to office, people could have complained against you. We are not departed. Whatever has happened. So when we do receive them, we evaluate them, we write to you. When we do respond, give us all the information, justify your publication. We usually come out to stand and protect what you did for as long as you can defend it. But of course, while you are off guard, we also sometimes tell you to remoderate your content to avoid further issues on the matter. I'm not sure if I've answered most of the questions. I think our elders give you practical tips on how you can survive. You know where you come from when you stand elder in a room. I was going to even offer to invite him here for 2 minutes to tell you the rules of survival. How has he managed to survive in industry for 40 years? Maybe you learn. I tell you, none of us will tell you how best you can navigate through the difficult environment. And somebody from Capital asked a question that he himself has an answer. And that's what I will not answer. Please don't ask us questions with no answer. You won't answer, all right? Yes. I think those were the questions. Somebody said we don't appreciate you. I think we began by appreciating you also. We began by appreciating you. And then there will be a time when we shall invite people to give you awards for good work done. And then somebody asked about not listing. To the best of my knowledge, we publish a list of licensees, but we shall cross-check with my colleagues and ensure that it is updated. But we publish, even now when you go to the UCC website, there is a list of licensees in the different subcategories. Even online data communication is listed there. So if it's not very much updated, we will pick it on and update it as soon as possible.